The concept of mobile business, as you see here, mobile business is m-commerce and m-business and wireless internet business. The mobility is added to wireless concept and also a new type of business running through smartphones and tablets and other mobile devices. And there is a comparison between e-business and mobile business, terminal and network. And the e-business has a big screen, big memory, fast processing, and various input and output devices. And mobile business has the opposite: small screen, small memory, slow processing, limited input and output devices, and high mobility. And the network has a relatively fast and relatively slow for the mobile business, and for the e-business more application programs, and the mobile business has less application programs.
Yeah, so this is the difference between these two, that in e-business they have a big screens and like websites, and in mobile they have a small screen, small memory, and limited processing. And especially when you go to the ubiquitous, so there is also more constraints of energy means the charge, because the sensor devices, they work independently, so they have a problem of energy as well as security.
And as you see here, the business activities and processing execute using mobile technology. And mobile business applications has classifications, which is communication and commerce, and it has the communication in the enterprise and the consumer. It's all almost the same, except the consumer cheating and team task tool and digital card and the digital postcard. Otherwise, everything is the same, like the voice and email and initial messaging and team task tool. And in the commerce, the enterprise has the retail, location-based and commerce and stock trade, banking, corporate actions, multi-channel commerce, insurance, advertising. And consumer also has the retail, location-based and commerce. The difference is compression shopping. They don't have banking. They have ticketing, and they don't have corporate actions. They have stock trade, and they have actions and advertising and music.